Welcome to the Multiplying on the Axis game. This is a class game. The pedagogical objective of the game is to deepen the students' understanding of the number axis, as well as practicing and better understanding multiplication. When we click New Game, we can choose the number of players. Let's choose 3. Each team has an axis of 0 to 30 and 5 multiplications. The game includes 5 rounds. Each round starts by clicking New Jumps, and now each team got a certain jump. The possible jumps are of 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6, and every team will get each jump exactly once. The green team, for example, will not get the jump of 6 again. Now, each team will consult amongst themselves as to what multiplication to use. If, for example, the green team chooses 5, the jump of 6 will be multiplied 5 times to reach the result of 30. In this case, the green team will certainly reach a higher result than the other 2 teams. In each round, the team gets points according to how many other teams it passed. So if the green team chooses 5, it will get 2 points. But every multiplication can be used only once. After using the multiplication by 5 in this round, it will not be available for further rounds. The green team may notice that if they choose 4, they'll still be in first place. They will reach 24, and the maximum result the purple team can reach is only 20. Remember that the teams deliberate amongst themselves secretly, so they have to make their choice without knowing what the other team will choose. The green team may also decide to only multiply by 3. They may do this if they guess that the purple team will not use its highest multiplication. So let's say the green chooses to multiply by 3, the purple decides to multiply by 2, and the blue team decides to multiply by 3. After each team makes its decision independently, it writes it on a note and passes it to the teacher. After the teacher receives all 3 notes, he or she marks the choices of the teams. After marking the results, the teacher clicks Do Multiplication. Now, each team can see how well they guessed what the other teams will do. The green team, as it turns out, could take first place even with multiplying by 2. The purple team was surpassed by the blue team. We update the score, and we see the green team gets 2 points because it passed 2 other teams. The blue team got 1 point as it only passed the purple team. And we see that the multiplication that was used is now gone. The blue team, for example, used its multiplication by 3, and in the next rounds, it will have to make use of the other multiplication. For the second round, we click New Jumps again. Now the green team got its lowest jump. They could say to themselves, let's just multiply by 1 because we're going to lose anyway. Might as well use the lowest multiplication. The blue team may guess the decision of the green team and also choose 1, with the aim of gaining only 1 point and not trying to pass the purple team. Well, let's say the purple assumes the blue team won't use its 5 and chooses times 3 for itself in order to pass 2 teams and get 2 points. So after these choices are handed in by the notes to the teacher clicks Do Multiplication, and we see how many points each team gets in the second round. Let's update the score. Now there's a 3-way tie. The green team that had 2 points now got 0. The purple team that had 0 points now got 2 points because it passed 2 teams. And the blue team got 1 point. But the teams are not in the same situation. Some differ in the multiplications that they have left and/or in the jumps that they've received so far. So we'll go ahead and continue the game now with the random choices just to see how it ends. So, new jumps, and we'll just choose whatever. Do multiplication, and update the score. 2 more rounds. New jumps. And we'll just choose whatever again. Do multiplication. Here, it turns out that the purple and blue teams will only get 1 point because they both only passed one team, the green team. So when we update the score, green will stay at 3, purple will be 3, and blue 5. And the new jumps. Now, there isn't any choice. And we do multiplication. We update the score, and here the game ended in a draw. The purple and blue teams each have 5 points. And that's it. So the game involves the axis, practicing multiplication, and also interesting strategic thinking. There is a mathematical element in figuring out the highest possible result another team can reach, but also trying to guess what the other team will actually do. We hope you enjoy this game in class. Thank you for watching.